Hey guys, in this video I'll be talking about alcohols. Alcohols have the functional group OH, which is attached to a carbon atom in the molecule. Alcohols have the general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. The simplest alcohol is methanol, which is CH3OH. A commonly known alcohol is ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Alcohols have many uses, such as beverages, additive to petrols, solvents for medicines, antiseptics and cleaners, reactants and solvents for manufacture of products. The suffix for alcohols is -ol. Some examples are methanol, ethanol, and propanol. When drawing an expanded formula for alcohol, it is pretty much the same as the others. You name it from the end that the alcohol is attached to make the smallest possible number you can make. You just need to be careful about where you name them from and where things are placed, as it can be easy to make mistakes when naming and drawing them. There are three types of alcohols: primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. I'll show an example for all three. A primary alcohol has one carbon atom bonded to the carbon with the OH group. A secondary alcohol has two carbons attached to the carbon with the OH group. A tertiary alcohol has three carbons attached to the carbon with the OH group. Each one has different physical and chemical properties due to the position of the OH group. The properties of alcohol depend on what type of alcohol it is. Since it has an OH group, it can hydrogen bond with other alcohol molecules and water. It is a polar covalent bond which creates a strong bond between the molecules. This results in higher melting and boiling points due to hydrogen bonding, which is stronger than dispersion forces. Smaller alcohols are soluble because they can hydrogen bond with water molecules. Larger molecules become less soluble due to the hydrocarbon chain going larger. Alcohols are excellent solvents, especially ethanol, and are able to dissolve polar and many non-polar substances that don't dissolve in water. This is why it is used in the industry to dissolve reagents, food, chemicals, etc. This will be it for today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below or message me on Twitter, and I'll try to help you the best I can. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.